Good morning, student. Welcome to Hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. There is a question of simple interest part 5. At what rate percentage per annum of simple interest will 500 amount to 650 in 3 years? Means initial amount was 500. It becomes 650 within the duration of 3 years. So it means you are depositing this money. It means if you are depositing this money, it means it is principal, or the principal is becoming amount. This much amount you are getting, so this is amount. So this is principal and amount. This is very clear picture. So simple interest amount is always count as simple. So amount always count as amount equal to principal plus SI. Amount principal, if you add SI in principal, it becomes amount. So what is the amount? Amount is 650. Principal is what? 500 plus SI. So this is in this is 500 on positive side. When it comes transposed to the left hand side, it comes 650 minus 500 plus ka minus. So 650 minus 500, 150. So SI equal to 150. You can write it like this. Okay. So SI equal to 150 or 150 equal to SI. You can turn it on the right side. You can flip it. So write it like this. SI equal to 150. Okay. So SI 150. Now SI is clear. Amount is clear. So time period is 3 years. Time is 3 years. We know one formula, SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. So SI is 150. Put 150 ka value here. So 150 in place of, okay, I'll write it here. In place of SI 150 equal to ki jagah pe equal to P is 500. R is what rate of at what we have to find out the R. T equal to 3 years. 100 5 ja 500, 5 3 ja 15 into R. So 150 equal to 15 into R. So R equal to 150 upon 15 equal to 10%. R equal to 10%. So this is the answer for this. So rate 10% per annum. Okay, of simple. So this will be the rate of 10% per annum. So do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much for watching out the channel. Thank you.